Hello, friends. It is your friend CryptoFace today. And today's video, we're going to talk about what I believe the highest probabilities are that need to happen in order for us to have this breakout that everyone is extremely bullish on right now. And I mean everyone. I mean every YouTuber from everyone is really bullish right now and really confident that they think we're gonna have this breakout. And I think there's a couple things that are being looked over. And so let's talk about what I think sort of needs to happen. First off, yes, on the weekly, currently using Market Cipher for analysis. This is good. We said we've been waiting for this money flow, the flow of money, to go over its previous high. That way we can have confirmation that that is moving to the upside along with everything else. It's kind of just right there. 6-day looks a little different. That's for darn sure. Let's go to the 3-day. 3-day kind of momentum still right there at basically a top. And that's kind of like the overall picture. Same thing with the daily. We're good in the green, but we're kind of starting to run into anchors and trigger waves here at this resistance point. The 12-hour, this to me is very bullish. We have a very small trigger wave right here. Nice anchor waves. This is what I believe is our most bullish, gives me the most bullish kind of perspective on why we could actually break out to the upside. But here's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at this little pattern right here and how we go up, get pushed down, go up again. And so as we take a look back, what we'll see. Oh, okay, here we go. I knew something didn't look right. By the way, that's my dog chewing my cardboard footrest under my seat. So let's take a look for other patterns just like this and what happened. So okay, boom, we had one right here. Came up, got pushed down, came up. And what happened off here? Rejected, right? What about back here? Came up, pushed down, came up. Oh, we were able to come through and come down and eventually break through. So we want to keep our eye on here. Right, this one right there. Hell, you could even actually technically say this one right here. Boom, boom, boom. Came down, but shot up. Now let's take a look at the money flow waves here. So what was going on? Why was this able to break out and this one wasn't? And let's compare them to, how it looks here. Right? Coming to the upside. So we take a look here and we see, okay, we were in the green. We see that we had some nice little trigger waves here, but we came out, boom, boom, and we had to basically pull back. We had to pull back a pretty good amount from 8,900 down to 7,500. This pullback, we pulled back and haven't been back up since. Money flow waves decreased and went down. So I'm thinking that we need to have at least a pullback down to the high 8s, low 9s for us to be able to fight our way back out. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Also, taking a look at the 6-hour, looking at our flow of money cruising to the downside. This doesn't necessarily scare me because when we are in an actual bull run, these waves don't come and touch the bottom, or if they do, it's very seldom. They just come back up and boom, come back up. So I'm kind of thinking that this very well could be what we're dealing with here. We have to come down a little bit. We're going to come down a little bit, have a little pullback, just enough. And when we're getting kind of close in this range, boom, that's when we can take off. So I think I am as well, still kind of overall bullish, but I am not. I'm not being stupid. I'm not. I am absolutely looking for this pullback to get in and then see how things look and get on that launch. Taking a look at the 4 hour, I have been keeping my eye on this wave for the good past few days to see if this is going to come down and start pulling back up. Right now, it's not there yet. It's just mingling with the downside here. It's just mingling. As right when I started this recording, we just had this little kind of sell-off right here. I do want to see this come into the red. I want to see this sell-off happen. We want to see this sell-off happen and create this base for us to launch off of. 100%. On the low time frames, I mean, there's still good green, you know, I mean, it's there. It's not sinking down hard, it's neutral. So we're just looking for a repeat of these type of waves. Where they don't go all the way down, they come down and just boom, keep peaking. And you get 3 or 4 of them. In these bull runs, you'll get 3 or 4 in a row. Hell, sometimes even more. I mean, geez, look at this. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Bitcoin works in 4s. 1, 2, 3, 3s and 4s. And so, my confirmation, what I'm looking for, is if this is confirmed that we have a 1, and I know we're going to have at least a 2 or a 3, then I know that we're going to make a lot of money long in these bottoms. And that this is going to be the beginning of a 3 or 4 money flow, Mount Everest peak, bull run to the upside, having at least 3 or 4, because that's how they come. So what I'm looking for with Market Cypher on the 3, 4, 5, 6 hour is I'm looking for this Mount Everest of green to start making a number 2. And then we know there's going to be a number 3 and maybe number 4. And then we're going to enjoy the ride up, get in on the zigs, get out on the zags, or get in on the zags and get out on the zigs. Either way, no matter what happens, we are strictly sticking to the charts. Don't care about opium or what anyone else has to say. We just look at the data and we're going to be slicing this pig, making as much as possible, but being disciplined and not being greedy, knowing that we have plenty of time. Other than that, folks, I think that's pretty much it. I just want to say again, thank you to all of those who, all of my Market Cypherians, my whale crew folks. A lot of collaborations and stuff for the YouTubers coming up, but really I'm kind of in this 2 or 3 week zone of waiting for the Market Cypher standalone site and affiliate dashboard to be complete, and then it's full of guns blazing. Everyone's going to be able to make money off of affiliate with Market Cypher, and it's just going to be more automated and better. So right now I'm just working on that, focusing on those guns behind the scenes, and then we're going to come out kicking ass, crusading, and profit taking. Good luck. God bless. And this is your friend, CryptoFace.